And they're up hot. Gossip draws for your lead, being joined by Lovable Princess on the outside, and followed by Hakuna Matata. Green lane in between runners. Panahon na. Gray Magic, Dugo Sprite, and trailing the group is Flying Hope as they round at a 3/4 mile pole. Lovable Princess takes up the running hot. Gossip right behind in second, racing in third. Hakuna Matata, panahon na. Moving a party outside, Dugo Sprite running by the rail is Gray Magic. Green Lane and Flying Hope is still running at the tail of the field by about 8 lengths from back to front. With Lovable Princess, hot. Gossip moving up once again on the outside and regaining the lead. Panahon na. Moving a party outside as they rounded the last 600. We have panahon na. Now takes up the running by the rail. Hot. Gossip, Gray Magic in third as they swing for home. Panahon na. This time by about 6 lengths. Hot. Gossip running by the rail. Gray Magic moving up down on the inside. And with the last 200 meters of the race with panahon na by about 7 lengths. Gray Magic now in second. 100 meters of the race. Panahon na, lengthening by about 8 lengths. And finally, panahon na. Second, Hakuna Matata close between Dugo Sprite, Flying Hope, and Green Lane for your Pentafecta.